Hey yo, this is Dash. There's been a few of you guys who have been asking me to fry some chicken. So I have some chicken that we're gonna fry. Alright, well, let's just say I learned something today. And what I learned is that the induction, it does not recover very well. Now, if I was sitting inside or using the gas to cook on, this would have held temperature. But it seems like, yeah, I can touch the top of this. So it's not holding as much temperature as I would like it to have held. I went in the house when I loaded this up, and the oil temperature had fallen to 200 and change degrees. So this is probably not the best way that you should be frying something. Maybe if I was frying it in a more shallow of a pan, it probably would be okay. But this was a fail so far. So what I did was I took the chicken that was in the oil, which was basically being boiled in the oil. It wasn't being fried, it was being boiled in the oil. Took it out. I'm trying to let my oil temperature recover. I have this thing maxed out. I'm showing the temperature. What I would like it to hit is 460 degrees. Will it get that hot? Probably not. Anyway, I'm going to clean out the oil, clean some of the bits that are stuck at the bottom out. We're going to try again. So, part one of this video, a little bit of a fail. Hopefully I can recover better than this oil did. And we will go from there.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready.
Alright, so I just realized something. The last clip I filmed, there might not be that good audio because I just realized I didn't have the mic on. This has just been one of those cooks. Yeah. Alright, so what I've done is, because I've been cooking, or I'm cooking primarily for my wife. Now, one of the things you'll see and notice, I let these go a lot longer than I let the first batch go. Now the first batch was fine as far as what they tasted like and what the temperature was done, but I like my wings a little more done. So that being said, I let these cook a little more. Now these wings are specifically for my wife. She likes flats only. We're not going to hold that against her. So I have 5 flats done for her. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some of these other pieces in here, and as I told you, the oil does not seem to recover very well when putting chicken in. So I'm putting 5 pieces in. 5. It's gonna be a long day. Alright, actually here, we'll put this flat that's sitting in there in there as well. So let this be a lesson. I really didn't want to heat up inside of the house, so now I'm standing outside of the house in 90+ degree weather that much longer because I wanted to use this induction plate. Those of you guys who might know a little bit better can maybe instruct me on what I did wrong, but it obviously seemed like after that first little bit, the temperature in the oil, it just nosedived, or nose dove. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get these couple pieces of chicken in the house for my wife so she can have some. I'm gonna make her a plate basically of the vegetables and the chicken. I'm gonna get more chicken cooked and we'll just kind of go from there. But for this to be an instructional video, it's more like an instruction on how to fail. Alright, well, I'll be back out in a bit. Got the vegetables off. I didn't show you the vegetables when they were done. They really just look the same from the last time I showed you. wife is actually eating some. She says their vegetables are very spicy. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we are. The arm portions on the wings looking pretty good. Again, they kind of were par cooked, so that's why these didn't take very long, and they are looking rather well. Now, I've seen and heard people cook wings at a lower temperature and then fry them at a higher temperature to make sure that they're done inside, on the inside, but I was not trying to, that was not my intention. Alright, these are the last few pieces that were kind of par fried. And like I said, it seems like I'm only able to put 5 pieces in at a time, or the oil temperature drops way down. Speaking of which, let's check the temperature right now. And after dropping the wings in just now, these little wingdings, we're down to 280 degrees. Yeah. Well, I guess I should probably eat one of these for you guys, right? Almost dropped it. Oh man, I'd have been mad. Whew. So hot. Man. Good. Nice crisp to it. Alright. Goodness gracious. Can you stop with all the honking? I mean, what's up? I'm gonna finish this piece, then I'm gonna finish cooking the chicken, and I'm going inside to sit under the air conditioning. It's too dang hot to be outside. I am completely blown away at how long this is taking me. I will probably never ever use the Dutch oven with the induction plate again to fry anything. That being said, this is what you're looking for. Now, one of the things you can see is the wings are not making very much noise as compared to when I first put them in there. They just seem to be kind of just frying quietly. Now, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and pull these out so you can see what they're supposed to look like. And we see we have a nice crust, nice crisp edges there. Hopefully you can see that I have it in the frame correctly. But that's basically it. We're going to get these out, let them rest, and I'll get these in the house in a couple moments for, I don't know, one of my sons to probably eat. And we'll get some more of the raw ones in here. Now, I wanted to keep this clip together so you can see the difference in noise the raw ones make versus the ones that are done. Let's see if I can get some more flats. Alright, so hopefully, again, you can hear that. They're way more lively. You see there's a lot more going on in the pan. That's what they sound like when they first go in. You can tell when the wings are done, when all of the moisture is being cooked out of the wings. That last clip you saw when they were pretty quiet, that's how you can tell when they're done. See that temperature drop? 270 degrees. Ridiculous. Crazy. Never seen this before, ever. Alright, so I wanted to bring you guys back out here just because I really wanted this to be an instructional video. Again, some people don't know how to fry chicken, and that's completely okay. But one of the main things that you need to do is make sure that your oil stays hot. Obviously, you guys saw that didn't happen for me. I went in the house to try to cool off a little bit, came back outside, and my oil temperature fell flat on its nose. That being said, I wanted to show you guys what I have going on now. This chicken is getting there. It's almost done. Now, one of the things that I can tell you is once the chicken starts to float, it's done, okay? And once it's done, whoa, before I lose my pan here, it's done. And once it's done, you can determine how much further you want it to cook. I like my chicken, like I said, I told you guys before, a little more well done. So I will let this cook a little longer. And I'm gonna let these go a little bit further. Frying chicken, it's not gonna hurt it if I let it go. And I'm gonna get it to the point where it's fried hard. We just like our chicken crisp and very well done. So that is pretty much that. With that being said, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. You guys are probably tired of hearing my ugly or looking at my ugly mug, seeing look how sweaty I am. Do y'all see that? This is why I don't do videos outside during the summer. Anyway, I'm done. I am done with this cook, and I apologize that it wasn't better. It wasn't a better presentation. I promise you guys I'll come back with something a little better in the next one. That being said, if you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up down below. But roll the outro.
More butter, baby.
Hey, look, guys, down below is listed the P.O. box. If you want to send us something to try, a sauce, a seasoning, some jerky, feel free. Something funny, something for us to try, send it to the P.O. box below. It's always listed in the description. But
thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Join us on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. Go live for 2 hours. In the first hour, we talk about barbecue or something barbecue business related. The second hour, come as you please and bring your flesh.
And we talk about anything.
And then we talk about anything.
All right. Well, not her, but me. So.
Sometimes I peek in.
Yes, you do. So you want to tell them thank them again for watching?
Thank you again for watching.
And we'll see you. Oh, I'm sorry.
And please do subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye.